Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, you guys are getting ready with me. I literally am going to work. We have to wear blue today, so yeah, I decided to do a get ready with me just because I'm still trying to get back in the groove of being on YouTube. So because I want to wear blue, I have to wear blue, I decided to wear some more warm tones on my eyes so that I'm like comfortable with the blue, because I hate blue eyeshadow on me, but this is what I got. Anywho, hope you guys enjoy this video, but before we get into this video, I'm going to shout out my gang. You guys adore me so much that you're still rocking with me and my inconsistent ass, and I'm trying to be consistent, especially for those who write me on Instagram all the time and be like, sis, where's the videos? They on memory chips, okay? And every time I'm upset with a video or the way it came out, I don't put it out. There we go. Boom. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. And enjoy. Alright guys, so being that I'm going to be playing with color eyeshadows today, and I don't know if I'm going to get fallout, I'm actually going, oh damn. I'm actually going to start off with eyes today. So yeah. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to mattify my eyebrows with a brush. This is the M434. I'm just putting some powder through my brows just to mattify them, because now I do my brows after my face, and technically I still do, but I'm going to outline the bottom of my brow so that I can do my eyes, because I can't do my eyes without my brows being on. Okay, this is a weird method, but this is what I do now when I have to do my eyes first, because, bruh. Oh, I'm using the Java brow pencil, and again, I'm just outlining the bottom of my eyebrow. I don't need it to be like super neat because my brows are not fully filled in. Fully what? Fully filled in. Alright, so I'm just going to use some of my L'Oreal concealer just to clean up the bottom. I'm going to use that same 434 and just blend that concealer down. Alright, so what I'm actually going to do is do my right eye off camera to make sure I'm doing this right, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this eye is what I got. I have to wear some form of blue today, and I hate the color blue on my eyes, so I decided to wear warm colors along with it. Hopefully this looks good, because to me it doesn't, but you know, like I said, I'm trying to get back in the groove. So we're going to do this eye together. On my hand, as a primer, I'm going to be using my Louise Base Rumour 1. I'm going to start with the orange in the 35B palette, and I'm going to be using my M514. I'm just going to build this color up. So now that that's done, I'm just going to mix the yellow and the orange in the 35B, and I'm just going to blend the outside of the orange shade. Now we're going to go in with my for my transition shade, this was the M441, and now I'm going to use my M506, and I'm going to go into the red shade. Now for the red shade, I'm going between both palettes, which is the 35B and my Covershot Bold Eye palette from Smashbox. That palette is discontinued, guys, so sorry. Both palettes are discontinued, actually. Oh crap. But the James Charles palette has all these colors, so does the crayon case and a lot of other palettes, and the Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm gonna go back in with that orange. And blend those edges. Alright. How we looking so far? Crazy. Okay. I'm gonna go into these two purples in the 35B, and I'm using my M507. And I'm just gonna put that right underneath the red. get a little bit of dimension going. So for the lid, I actually like blanked it out. So what I'm going to do is a little bit more of that base. And again with the M434. I'm going to put it all over the brush. I'm going to put back the empty space on my lip area by tapping on some color. And I'm going to go on with some of the purple from the 35B and just blend that right there first. And then taking my M156 and that bright blue shade in the 35B, and I'm just applying that all over the lip. Do you see that? Jesus Christ, this blue is amazing. I need this. I need another 35B. I need to find it somewhere out there, untouched. Again with those purples, just to blend out the blue. I'm just going back in with every single color. So I'm going to start from the blue and work my way up just to make sure everything blends together. I'm just going to pop on my lash now. I have Hypnotic Stacked from Morphe. I actually kind of like their lashes. Alright, we are nice and moisturized and plump and looking good. So now we're going to prime the face. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to be using my Pore Filler Primer from NYX. This thing is popping. So I'm just going to use my Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe as my face primer until I go get me a primer water from Smashbox. I really miss that thing. Just going to pull back so I can get to my edges. Sensational. So now I'm going in with my Smashbox Color Correcting Stick in Local's Tired Dark. And to blend this out, I'm going to use this Luxie 229 brush. My skin looks so nice right now. It's because it's getting nice outside. My skin is always good to me in the summer. So winter hit, my skin be like, good skin weird. You don't. But I'm using these L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundations. These are really good. This is my everyday foundation. When I'm going out now, I can wear my NARS Natural Radiant. But when I'm going to work, this is what I got on. Okay? Okay. So I am using the colors 510 and 525. I mixed them because I need so. So 1, 2 pumps of 5, 10, and half a pump and a drop of 525. So I'm using my E6. Love this brush for foundation because I used to be obsessed with this brush, which is the Y6, but this is discontinued, so I'm just going to use this brush to apply some foundation. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I actually really like this concealer a lot. Not more than my Maybelline though, okay? But I do like this. It has a lot of coverage. And I like the neutral color that this has. So I'm going to use my M173 to blend this concealer out. To contour and to kind of help blend from my under eye concealer, I'm going to use Deep Dark 54 from ColourPop. And the brush I'm going to be using is the E20. So I'm going to take my E6. It kind of has nothing on it, so I'm just going to take it and blend the concealer and the cream contour together. How do we look? Do we look blended? Did I miss a spot? Most likely didn't. Just kidding. So now that this is on, we gotta start setting. Using whatever's left of the Sacha buttercup powder. By the way, the brush I'm using to set everything is the M438. They put this as a contour brush, which I understand why, because the other brush that I have from Sephora is the same thing. They have it as a contour brush, but I use this as an under eye brush, and I love it as an under eye brush. I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. This is in dark, and the E41 brush. This nice big fluffy powder brush. Love it so much. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face and my neck. Alright, so to fill in the rest of my brow, again, I'm going to use Java and Mocha. So I'm just going to outline the rest of my brow with Java, and then I'm going to fill in my brow with Mocha. Alright, let's do the under eyes. So I'm going to use these two brushes. They're both from BH Cosmetics. I've had them for a long time. Sorry, I can't help you with what they are. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go into my Covershot Build That palette because it's the easiest thing and the quickest thing. I'm going to go in with the purple first and like stamp that into my eye. Alright, then we're going to take some of the red and just go right under. Then just clean this off, and a little bit of the orange underneath that. I'm gonna pop some bottom mascara on and do a inner corner highlight. I just don't know which one else to use. Alright, let's bronze and contour and highlight and look like a shimmering ball. Okay, so I am using showmance Brontour from Morphe. I just use literally both sides. I just tap my big old N527. I know the number of this brush because I sell it a lot. And I'm just gonna go into the skin and some highlight. And the highlight I will be using today is the Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert palette. This is in Rose Rush or Lush Rose or Rose Rush. And I'm going to use this 451 from Morphe. I'm going into both shades. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, go get dressed, clean up a little, get ready for work, and then I will be back to do my lips. Alright, so for my lip pencil, I'm going to be using Vibes from Morphe. Y'all gotta get this pencil. It's $4. So bomb. Creamy. And it's like a red toned brown. Along with Wifey lipstick in the center. Frosè gloss. This is literally like a clear gloss, but I use it all the time, so. Here is your finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video was a little awkward, again, this is my first time back in a while, and I'm really trying to get back in the groove of it so I can be consistent. I don't know, I feel weird being in front of the camera. But how y'all feel about this old school Jessica Nicole with the cornrows? Because she's back, okay? I actually missed this, and yes, for those who are asking, I am growing my hair back. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.